Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Alright, back with another one, people. You know how we do. I just been super busy lately, working 10-hour, 20-hour days. I got little man over here. You done eating? You done eating? Let me see. Oh, alright. You been good? Yeah, you better be. That's a little monster right there. Yeah, man. So, like I said, every single day, people, you want to use this free money that I'm teaching you guys how to make and invest in yourself. Right? Even if you're only making $5, $10, $20 every single day, it adds up over time. Over time, it adds up. All right? So there's no reason not to get into it. No reason not to just start putting your dreams first. All right? And you see what I got to deal with. Look. You see what I got to deal with. All right? So my goals and my vision and the dreams are a little bit different, right? When he get 18, I can't be playing out here, right? When he 18, I can't. Like, everything got to be ready. All right, relax, brother. Relax, brother, man. You all right? Relax, man. Relax. Say what's up, YouTube. Say what's up, YouTube. Whatever. So, you know what I'm saying? Every single day, you want to grind and you want to find new ways to make, earn. Like, you just want to create. You want to just continue to keep creating on an every single day basis. Right now, let me just jump into my computer real quick. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys a couple of things. I'm going to do doing a YouTube video right now. Doing a video right now. Where did you just run off to? What you doing, buddy? You good? You all right? Yeah. No. You got to stay in the living room. You got to stay in the living room, my guy. All right? All right, finish the juice and go in the living room. You gotta stay there though, cause you keep running around the kitchen. Come on. All right, I'm about to eat real quick. All right, people. So like I said, I gotta make sure y'all stay healthy too, man.
Please.
You being a good boy? Huh? All right. Let me jump in this computer real quick. And like I said, people, let me change this view again. My bad. And I'm gonna jump on here too. Actually, I'm actually going to jump in here, too. My bad. Alright, big guy, let's not break nothing. Remember you broke your TV? Stop throwing stuff in the air. So you got to understand, people, like, everything everything you're going with, you got to still be able to do what you got to do. You got kids, you got a job, you got different things going on every single day. You got emergencies, you got things popping up. You still got to do what you got to do. There's no excuses whatsoever, right? Look, like I'm doing this video right now. Look, every 3 seconds. Oh, every 3 seconds. Every 3 seconds he want me to play the game. You see what I'm saying? But he got to know I can't do this right now. I want to sacrifice everything, right? Get to where I need to get to so then I can play games with him. Then I can do this. Look what he's doing. He's just throwing stuff everywhere. You see what I'm saying? Very disruptive. But at the end of the day, you can't. What you gonna make an excuse? A 4-year-old stopped you from getting to your dreams. See, look, you gotta continue. Right? I'm gonna have to teach him that he needs to know when it's playtime, when it's not playtime. All right? So it's things like this that I say every single day. Distractions, different things that pop up. Right? You gotta be able to look.
Game over.
Look, he mad at game over. All right, we gonna start it over. Why you acting like that? If you act like that, we can't do it over. Stop acting like that. Remember what I tell you, when you lose, you got it. When you lose, you gotta just try again, bro. That's the fun part, to try again and beat it. Alright? I'm gonna show you how to do it. You playing the wrong game, that's why.
Right now. That one now. What now?
Alright, relax. So like I said, you see? So you see how he's going crazy? I'm trying to shoot this video and show y'all stuff. So this is what I'm trying to tell y'all. Like, you cannot make any excuses, people. There cannot be any excuses. They can't be like, oh, I can't do this. I don't have time for this. I work 2 shifts today. I work 20-hour days today. I can't. No excuse. All right? Just whatever you got, your goals, your plans, your vision, you got to strive for. All right? Tomorrow, not promise. All right, people? Let me just jump into this. Let me change my camera real quick. Like I said, shout out to the online team, all right? Shout out to the online team. All right, look at little man. All right, look, play a different game. You got to charge it. Charge the tablet, and we're going to play a different game. Yeah, but we got to play a different game because you don't know how to play that game. All right, just want to show y'all real quick. All right, I'm going to go on YouTube and do a video. Yo, relax. Yeah, but you got to relax. And see, like, he's crazy, but I love that energy, right? I love that energy. I'm We're gonna need that energy, right?
Yep.
All right, so let me just dive in here. One of my favorite accounts right here, Prizerebel. Let me just show y'all real quick. Diamond member, look, $121. Matter of fact, let me just show y'all right here on my screen. Put this down here real quick. Let this load up. Like I said, I'm just gonna show you guys. Like, I was just on the computer, but I'm just gonna show you on the screen right here. Just want to show you guys different things that you can do. All right. So check it out right here. Look. So right now you see on my points right here, 121. Basically 12,125 points. That's basically $121.25. All right. So right here you see where it says you're ranked number 97 in referral program. I'm not even running any ads, and I'm still number 97, people. I'm not running not one single ad to my link or anything like that. So I'm not even sharing my link, nothing. I'm just shooting my videos, and YouTube's just taking over. So like I said,
go to the bar.
good job, but now you gotta pause it. You gotta wait till I'm finished this video. Pause it, and I'll do it. Pause it, and I'm gonna beat them. There you go, and I'm gonna beat them for you. So like I said, 97 on my referral program. I think I was like 128 before, like 2 days ago or something like that. So like I said, you don't really want to worry about that. You just want to worry about income every single day. Just want to earn income on here every single day. I'm putting out a YouTube video right now. I'm going to cash out $100. Show you a video of that. I got a couple tips on that video to how you get your money immediately. All right, like when you cash out on these sites, you get your money every single day, but it's certain ways on how you can get your money faster. All right. So like I said, stay tuned for that video. Stay tuned for that video later on my YouTube, and you could see the little tips and tricks I got for you guys on there. Like I said, Prizerebel, free site. Use my link in the description. You get bonus promo. All right, you get a bonus promo. So if you are gonna start, use my link in the description. Check out my YouTube video. Watch the tutorial. Learn how to make the money, people. Learn how to make $5, $10, $20 every single day just using this one site right here. All right? I show you different ways. I have over 100 tutorials on just this site only. All right? Like every couple months, every couple days, every couple weeks, I'll put out something new. As far as a new tip, something that they changed with the site, or just any other way that's faster to earn the income, all right? Like I said, everything on my channel is 100% free. I only use stuff that works every single day, and I just show you guys. That's why I don't show you guys 100, 200 different online sites and stuff like that. Probably got like 15, 20 online sites that all earn income every single day, all right? So it's up to you to fit it in your schedule and continue to grind every single day. I'm going to do a $100 cash out right here. I'm going to do a tutorial right here on the YouTube video. Show you guys how to make this money every single day. I make $5 every day, $10 every day, $20 every day. Add it up. It's not big money, but if you add it up every single day with your 9 to 5 money, with your, maybe you have a side hustle, or maybe you have another job, or maybe you have another gig that you do on the side, you add these multiple streams of income up, and you'll be able to do something really, really special, all right? I'm Proof Facts Results. I started with 1 subscriber, went to my mom, subscribed. Took my, you know what I'm saying? Took my son information, signed him up. That's my 2nd subscriber. Told my girl to sign up. Like you gotta continue to work. Hit my brother up, yo, subscribe. You just start. It starts from somewhere, right? You gotta start moving out. And another thing I'm gonna start doing is putting out the YouTube videos, showing you guys how you start your own YouTube, and how you can make money from your own YouTube channel on whatever niche you want. All right, so whatever subject or whatever topic, whatever you're good at, I'm gonna show you guys exactly backstage everything on how to copyright, how to write all your words out, how to place the ads, everything that you need to know about the YouTube to bring in some income. My YouTube channel probably makes about 80 to like 150 every single month, $80 to like 150 every single month, depending on how many videos I put out. And it's all up to me. Like I said, as soon as I stop working my 9 to 5, as soon as I get my online business going and I got some income coming in, I can quit my 9 to 5. I'm gonna put 110% all into everything I'm doing. YouTube, in myself, invest in myself, everything, self-help, everything I'm doing. I'm gonna put 110% all that into it, so I can stop working these 10, 20-hour days, and I can actually get some more things done. You know what I'm saying? So it's free online money maker. Do what you gotta do out there in your spare time, people. You see me out here, I'm watching Lil Man. He wilding, going crazy, shooting these videos, about to cash out. I'm about to do a tutorial video. So every single day I gotta work, and you see it's 4:30 right now. I gotta work at 7 o'clock. 7 p.m. I gotta work. Alright, I got a night shift job, 7 p.m. to 5 in the morning. All right, people. So like I said, you gotta keep grinding. There's no excuses. There's no reason why. There's no reason why you can't do this either. All right, on an every single day basis, you want to just grind and continue to put yourself forward in what you're trying to do. Right, because at the end of the day, tomorrow's not promised. Right, so we don't know what's gonna happen, people. Like, we really don't know what's gonna happen. So you wanna just go full force, 110%. You just wanna just go get it at every single time chance you get. You wanna go get it. Stop looking at 24 hours as 24 hours. All right. The more you do in a day, you can stretch out the time. All right, people. Let's start putting this together. Let's start making moves. Right. And let's start investing in ourselves every single day, people. Every single day, do what you gotta do so tomorrow could be better. All right, free online money maker. Watch this video. I'm about to post on YouTube. A couple hours, probably like an hour. I probably post it on YouTube. Watch this video. Check it out. Subscribe. Show me some love. All right, I'm giving y'all a free game, 100% free. My channel. Take that. Use it for ads. Use it for investments. Use it to buy free stock. I teach you guys how to buy free stock. Right. So you guys can do so many different things with it. It's just about you taking action and just making sure you take action every single day. All right, free online money maker signing out. Peace. Hey, say peace. Hey, say peace out, man.
Peace out.
Say peace out.
Peace out.
Really?